Hi TBF families, my name is Michelle and I am an intern with Autism Tree project, and today I'll be reading Future Engineer. Flip a switch, turn a gear. Could baby be an engineer? Engineers want to know how things work. So does baby. Engineers ask questions. Baby has a few. Engineers search for answers. Baby knows where to look. Engineers make things that help others. Baby loves to help. Engineers draw their ideas on papers and computers. Baby draws on paper and other places too. Engineers build their designs. Baby was born to build. 1 block, 2 block, red block, blue block. Engineers test their designs and make changes to improve them. Uh-oh, that's okay, baby. Engineers learn from their mistakes. You have plenty of time to pick up the pieces and try again. We believe in you, baby. Engineers make all kinds of things. Mechanical engineers build machines. Aerospace engineers make flying machines. Electrical engineers build things that use electricity. Chemical engineers turn chemicals into useful items. Biomedical engineers make things that help human bodies. Civil engineers design and construct structures. No matter what their field, all engineers follow the engineering design process. Ask, research, design, build, test, and improve. Alrighty, thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.